The queen is restoring herself to the throne, her radiance building, building, building from within. The comb of this honeyed womb is restoring itself. The drones in other dimensions sing. Gather back down and in the spacious radiance. Gather yourself there. Build slowly. Slowly start to drip. The honey gathering gravity beginning to buzz. The bees have no resistance to what is, allowing the surges of desire and the small waves backwards like ingatherings slowly building. My body, the conditions, this land, the void, slowly making space for the volcano to erupt. The hive is being reborn, restored, restructured, and once this architecture is rebuilt, it will barely have to work. It will magnetize, draw, seduce, generate life over and over and over again, while she blooms again and again and again from within. Let the warriors do their thing. You don't have to do that anymore. Soften, let go. Let the cervix ungrip and unwind. Let them come. Lean back, make space. Let the condor fly from the depths of the cave as the waters drip, drip, drip stalagmites. Move at the pace of the humming tectonic plates, almost frozen in sight until the magma bursts them wide open and life is born again. Prepare the nest, but do not push. She is